blush babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. So this video is the most requested video. As you guys can already see, I am all dolled up. This is the look that I'm gonna create today and I am very happy that it turned out so beautiful. Now I can't wait to show you guys how I actually did it. So without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. So start off by moisturizing your eyelid. I'm gonna apply some moisturizer on my eyelid and gently massage it. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. Then I'll prime my eyes with a aloe vera gel. You can use a primer if you want, but aloe vera gel works best for me. Massage it carefully on your eyelid. And I'm gonna apply a concealer on my eyelid. I've taken this beautiful concealer from Colorbar and I'll apply it with a brush. I find it easier to apply it with a brush. Blend the concealer with a beauty blender. You can also use your fingers, but I'm using a beauty blender because it blends it really well. Set the concealer with a translucent powder. This step is crucial because it helps the concealer to not crease. Now I'll quickly do my brows with a powder product. You can also use an eyebrow pencil if you're not comfortable with powder product. Brush it out with spoolie to make it look more natural. Next I'm taking this turquoise shade from Swiss Beauty palette and dabbing it on the outer corner of my eye. I've made a complete review on this palette. It's a very beautiful palette. I'll mention it in the iCard above, so do check it out. We're gonna slowly increase the intensity of it. Then I'm taking this peacock green shade from the same palette and dabbing it on top of the blue eyeshadow. Don't take a lot of product on the brush. Also, I'll apply it above the crease. Blend the edges completely. Make sure there are no harsh lines left. Then I'm going to take a brown shade and apply it as a transition color. Applying a transition shade gives your eyes a depth. Remove the eyeshadow on the crease area with a makeup wipe. Now cut the crease halfway through with a concealer. Be very careful while doing it and make sure your lines are very clear. blend the concealer with the outer eyeshadow. It's easier when the concealer is wet, but when it will become dry, it's gonna be very difficult to blend. Apply some dark blue eyeshadow on the outer corner. Now set the concealer with a powder. Next, I'm taking this beautiful blue shimmery shade from the same palette and I'll apply it on the crease area. You can use your fingers as well as a sponge brush. It's easier with your fingers than a sponge applicator. Next, I'm applying the same green color from the palette on the outer corner of my eye to increase the intensity of it. Now remove all the fallout with a makeup wipe. Next, I'm gonna apply an eyeliner. Make sure you apply it as close to the lash line as possible, especially if you have hooded eyes like mine. If you apply a thick eyeliner on your hooded eyes, it will make it look more messy. So avoid that. All the links to the products are mentioned in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now I'm gonna mix the dark green as well as the turquoise eyeshadow and apply it on the lower lash line. Smudge it a little bit on your lower lash line. Be very careful while doing it, otherwise you'll hurt your eye. Now apply some mascara on the upper as well as the lower lashes. Don't forget to highlight the inner corner of your eyes. Also highlight the brow bone. Now I'll quickly do the rest of the makeup. Add some falsies. You can totally skip this step if you want. But I like the look with the lashes, so I'm gonna apply some false lashes. And we're done.
I hope you guys liked it, and if you do, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to hit the tiny bell icon over there so that whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. Follow me on all my social handles, I'll put them over here. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys on Monday. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.